Consolidate data from multiple Excel files. In this scenario, we need to combine all CSV files of all tracks after exaction using Python. Let's quickly our CSV files. We X and Y coordinates as headers, which are named longitude and latitude. The structure of the all files, though, are identical. They all have identical headers. We're going to use get and transform, also known as Power Query, from the Data tab. Open a blank workbook. Go to Data Plus, get Data Plus from File Plus from Folder. Browse for the folder. My files are sitting right here. Now, Power Query goes ahead, creates a connection to the folder and checks what's inside that folder. Power Query is going to go and try to figure out what transformation it should apply to that sample file. Apply that transformation to all the other files and append the data. This is all the work that it's done for me.
Thank you for this day.